it looks
So
like
you guys,
Jack's on one of them.
we're noticing that we're looking at the, you know, these things. Sorry,
The cart.
the carts on the pal around, and we see that we could see like Sadness and Nemo and all the other Pixar characters. Yeah, and stuff. So yeah, you guys. Oh, I see that the fun meal is almost done. The fun meal. So we could see all the characters, not all, but we could see some. Like definitely the purple one, Sadness. My mom is saying.
Sadness is the purple one.
Yeah. So if you.
And then Nemo's on the green one.
Oh, I see him. I see him. So yeah, you guys, let's see when we get in the pier and over there on that side where they have that. So yeah. Well, guys, we're over here. Yeah, you guys, we're over here. And now we see
I saw Eve there. Oh, at the bottom.
Eve right there. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. But you see Eve right there. You see Lightning McQueen right there. You see Miguel right there. And it's hard to see that one because the. Oh, sorry. Oh, shoot. It's true. Okay, thank you. So now you can see right there. You can see this stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. You know what? Over here, if you look over here, that band area, it's like done. You see that? And if you go over there more, the Bing Bong area, the Bing Bong sweet stuff, confectionery is done, and these things are painted from the same roofing of Toy Story Mania. So you see Eve, Lightning, and Miguel and them right there. You see Flick right there. Oh, I see Joy right there. And I see Mr. Incredible. So yeah, you guys, that's the most that I can show you. Except if I can just move to this section and I could see Nemo, but can you guys? I see Nemo right there. I think I see Buzz right there. That's Buzz. That's Buzz on the orange one, and Nemo's on the blue one. So, you guys, get hyped for this. I'm going to be trying to come here when it's the first day. So you guys, yeah, I'm going to be trying to come here the first day of Pixar Pier, and I'm going to give you all the, oh, they have the pal around entrance. You guys, they have that thing right there. Pixar pal around right there. That blue white thingy, that's what it is. Let's try to see more when we get into the pier actually. So yeah, you guys. The most that I can get from this angle, maybe we can see more when we get in the pier. Who knows? IDK, I'll show you. And one thing over here, my mom told me over here. Sorry about that, but if you zoom in right there, you can see the Luna Starcatcher right there. And it's Wally's Space Race, not Wally's Space Spin, it's Wally's Space Race. So yeah, and if you go over here, you can see a better look at Buzz right there. See Buzz right there better?
Right here, look, you can see right where I'm standing.
I'm showing.
I'm standing right here.
Oh,
the thing.
Oh, you
can see literally the ones in between. All of them, all the way up to the top.
Oh yeah, you can see all those.
Who's at the very top?
Oh,
Merida.
Oh, that's Merida right there.
It's Merida, Mr. Incredible, Ratatouille.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Nemo.
Oh, I see. I think I see Hector. I see Hector. I see Hector on. I think I see Hector on the purple one.
Really?
Yeah. It's harder for the camera to see, so sorry guys.
No, it's not. That's Joy.
Oh, that's Joy on the purple one.
Joy.
Oh. So, you people, it's actually Joy. So, we'll show you guys the pier right now.
Oh yeah.
The big dinosaur joined them, so do you guys, yeah, if you go in, there's another new one, then they're just all flipped.
Oh yeah, they are flipped, huh?
Some of them. Look, that's a new one. Then flip.
That is so cool how they did that.
Yeah.
See Mr. Incredible on the right, and there's Miguel in the middle.
So guys, if you continue going over there, you can see, you know, the Incredicoaster right there. You can see that the roofing's there finally, and the repaints.
Oh yeah, they did. They added that in.
From the repaint. So yeah, you guys, you see the adorable snowman right there. I'll try to link the video in the end card or description of us like eating the adorable snowman thing. So yeah, you guys, I'll try to link it. One new thing is right there, they added like some facing thing right there.
And the line is still as long as it was the day we came.
Yay! Email lunchbox.
Yeah?
That's for...
Oh, that black beam?
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
They're supposed to have that, you know, fun meal thing.
Tacos, right?
No. No. It's not for that.
What's it going to be called?
It's going to be called like fun meal. It's supposed to be like the fun meal and you know that small buzz short?
Ah.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. And it's still like you walk in here. Yay! So let's go in it. And wait, what the heck's that? What the heck's that? Guys! It's so lasers!
What?
So lasers!
Oh my gosh, it is Dory on this side. Oh, you could see the lasers.
Oh my gosh! You can.
I could barely see them. It's too dark. Like, I mean, too bright for the sun.
Oh no!
Okay, let's try it again.
Let's see Dash having those lasers.
I don't see. Oh, there's Dash.
See it now?
Yeah. Let me get a picture. I'm doing video. Come on, let's get that really quick. La Luna and Wally.
So you guys, I'm walking through here. See those light bulbs? They look awesome, I know, but look at King Triton. It's still King Triton. I'll tell you why. Because technically, they're not going to be getting done for the opening. I know, right? It's insane. So yeah, you guys. See, they've redone that part and they've done some that part. So